Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the tablet ready and connected. Plug the USB or enable Bluetooth now. Install the official Wacom driver, then restart so system integrates the device. Once done, pair or connect the tablet. Press the hardware pair button and confirm it appears in your OS devices. Make sure the pen recognizes pressure immediately. If it doesn't, retry the cable or repair. These initial steps establish communication, so the next configuration is you now configure how the tablet behaves, open the Wacom settings and pick your Intuos. Adjust pen pressure and tip feel so strokes respond the way you want. Test in a simple drawing app to fine-tune. Next, map the active tablet area to your monitor. Select the screen, choose full or partial mapping, and set aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Finally, assign express keys and pen buttons to shortcuts you use most. This speeds workflows and reduces menu hunting. Finish by tailoring profiles for each app you use. Create a Photoshop profile with brush shortcuts and another for painting. Make sure firmware and drivers are up to date. If something breaks, reboot, try another USB port, or repair Bluetooth. If pressure sensitivity stops, toggle Windows Ink or similar OS options, reinstall the driver, and test the pen on a second device to isolate hardware faults. These final checks secure consistent performance, so you can work without interruptions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.